1966 Chevrolet Corvette C2 generation. This is a stunning example. These are the factory original colors. Milano Maroon over the saddle. Interior, super sharp, very attractive, very unique and different from a lot of just the standard black interiors you see on most of the C2s. This car is just fantastic. Love this interior with the paint, just goes so well together. This car is pretty uniquely optioned as well. You can see these are leather seats over the standard vinyl. This car has been restored, a very nice restoration. .327, 300 horse, 4-speed. Engine starts up and sounds really nice. You can see even the clock is working. You also do have factory AC, which is a pleasure to see on these. Don't see them with factory AC very often. We're going to turn the radio on and we'll see if it works. The antenna, power antenna, does go up. And it must go down too. And there we go. All right, we'll leave the radio on, see if it turns on. There are your wipers there. Here's your electric pop-up headlights. Yes, they were electric in the C2s. The C3s, they went to vacuum. Look how fast those pull up. That is just awesome. And I turned the headlights on. You can see there the bright indicator. And we're gonna close them. And they close. Very cool. I don't hear the radio turning on. It does look like an original style radio though, so that's good. So this is going to be your fan here. Air conditioning pole. It's definitely blowing. I want to say this system does have R134A, the newer Freon, but I do want to say it blows cool, not cold. I open up the hood. Choke kicks off nicely. The way that door shuts. This car also does have a beautiful saddle convertible top. You can find pictures of that on our website. All right, AC looks like we're working here. You can see that clutch is engaged, as well as there's an added electric fan that's on to help the AC be colder. So I just turned it off, the electric fan goes off, and the clutch now went off. Beautiful engine bay. So there's your 327, 300 horsepower V8 engine. 327 small block in a C2 Corvette is just about the most perfect engine combo you could have had in this car. Beautiful engine, one of the best GM probably ever made. Just listen to that. Sounds awesome. It's all tuned up, fresh oil, you name it. Thing's ready to go. The 300 horsepower, of course, has the hydraulic lifters. Sounds really nice and quiet and smooth under the hood. All right, moving on to the paint and body. I'm not sure when this car was painted, but it is in very nice shape. We're gonna get up close here on it. You can see there is a touch-up mark on the driver's side headlight. But overall, paint shows awesome. Very nice sounding exhaust. And again, I just cannot get over this interior color. It's just gorgeous with this paint color combo. And you'll be able to decode it. You want to pause the video, or you can find a picture of this on our website. There's your VIN and your data plate right there. If you scroll down, there will be a link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. There you'll be able to find the asking price, undercarriage pictures, full high resolution photo gallery, our phone number, everything's on there. If you're interested, don't hesitate to give us a call. Driver's side fender. Fiberglass overalls though is in very nice shape. Another thing I want to point out, under certain lighting, there are some bubbles in this hood on the passenger side. Really hard to see in the video, but you can see them right there. You don't see it all the time, and you definitely can only see it at certain angles under certain light, but that is under the paint there, so keep that in mind. That's probably the worst spot on the whole car. The rest of the car's fine. It doesn't have that anywhere else, just that spot on the hood there. So if you're interested in this, don't hesitate. Give us a call. You can find it at carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.